Huawei Pura X. After the Huawei Mate XT triple folding phone, Huawei has launched yet another new phone. Today I'll be giving you a detailed review of the Huawei Pura X, focusing on its practical use and real-life experience with its 16:10 aspect ratio. I've already uploaded the phone's unboxing and first impressions video, and you'll find the link in the description below. But in this video, I'll be sharing the real user experience of this phone, something you won't see in any other review. And at the end, I'll also tell you where you can buy this phone. And this video was shared by my content partner from China, so a big thanks to him as well. My name is Maiky, and you are watching Tech Maiky. To be honest, the Huawei Pura X looks quite interesting in terms of design. In China, this phone is priced at 7,990 yuan, which converts to around 851 pounds in the UK. If you ask me to buy this phone at this price, even I would hesitate a bit. Now let's check out the phone's practical use, which you won't see in most review videos. If you try to open this phone with one hand, it will be quite difficult and even a bit dangerous. So I would definitely suggest opening it with both hands. Operating this phone with one hand is also quite challenging. Even when holding it in this position, moving your thumb to another position is difficult because it makes the phone very unstable. Let's fold the phone and check out the outer screen. The outer screen also comes with a 120 Hz high refresh rate and is an OLED display. As for the main screen, it is 6.3 inches in size and also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. It features LTPO2 technology, meaning you get a variable refresh rate. However, in the settings, there's no mention of the outer screen's refresh rate, and you can't customize it either. Now let's compare screen sizes. This is the Xiaomi 15, which was recently launched. If you're interested in buying the Xiaomi 15, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. Now the Xiaomi 15 also has a 6.366-inch screen, but in this size comparison you can see that the Pura X is slightly shorter in height but broader. And this is the world's best camera phone, currently ranked #1 on DxOMark, the Pura 70 Pro. Its screen size is 6.8 inches, making it a bit taller. Here's the iPhone 16 Plus, which has a 6.7-inch screen. It appears slightly thicker, but in terms of width, it looks relatively close to the Pura X. Comparing the size of this phone, here is a Chinese passport. When placed side by side, the size is almost similar, though the phone is slightly shorter. Now it has a size similar to the BlackBerry Passport phone. Let's move on to another practical use, the camera of the Huawei Pura X. Talking about the camera hardware, it features a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Now I'll show you some indoor results. A full camera test video is coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe to watch it first. Now let's check the video results. The main camera can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS, but when you zoom in, a lot of noise appears in the video. This means that when zooming, the telephoto camera doesn't activate, meaning 4K video recording isn't supported on the telephoto camera. As a result, zoomed-in videos appear much noisier. However, in the phone's press conference, the results looked completely different. But in actual tests, we are getting a noisy output. Now, this phone also has a 10.7-megapixel front camera, but it doesn't support 4K video recording. Additionally, the front camera doesn't have autofocus support. Talking about the camera benefits, you can shoot selfie videos using the main camera, which is a plus. However, there's a problem. Even when using the main camera for selfies, it can't switch to 4K. This means that 4K recording isn't supported when using the smaller screen for recording. The ultra-wide camera also has a color cast issue. Additionally, the telephoto camera doesn't activate for selfies, but practically telephoto isn't useful for selfies anyway. So for selfies, only the main camera and ultra-wide camera will be used. Here are the sensor sizes of the cameras. Ultra-wide camera, 1.5.79-inch sensor. Main camera, 1.67-inch sensor. Telephoto camera, 4.7-inch sensor. During the launch event, it was mentioned that you can watch short videos on the outer screen. In China, TikTok Douyin is popular. Let's try watching a video there. But look at what happens the first time. When you open TikTok, the confirmation button doesn't appear, meaning the video won't start playing. This means the key input is cut off on the outer screen. To accept the confirmation, you have to open the main screen first. Only then will the video start playing. So this phone still needs some optimization. Also, the outer screen comes with a default screen protector. Inside the box, you also get a transparent case. Let's put it on and check. The case comes in 2 parts and is made of hard plastic, so handle it carefully because it can crack easily. This time, the box includes a super small charger that supports 66-watt output and comes with a Type-C port. This is the first time Huawei has provided such a small charger. Additionally, you get a 1-meter Type-C to Type-C data cable, which supports up to 6A output. Lastly, the phone runs on HarmonyOS 5. Here you also get a spectrum camera. On the main screen, there is a light sensor as well. This phone features the smallest crease ever seen, which is barely visible. It runs on pure HarmonyOS, but if you plan to use this phone in the UK, you might not find many apps available for it. So friends, how did you find the Huawei Pura X? Would you consider buying this phone at this price? Let me know in the comments. That's it for now. See you in the next latest tech update. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.